Hey guys, welcome back. It's good to have you back, and it's good to be here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And today I'm just going to be showing you around a few places that you should definitely come to. Not only that, I'm going to show you a strategy where you can just walk to these places here in Kuala Lumpur. So if you're coming to Kuala Lumpur soon, you're definitely going to want to check this out. Kuala Lumpur, I wouldn't say is a walkable city, but there are certain routes that you can take to get from A to B to C to D, and they're actually quite walkable that way, that I've discovered, and you can see a lot that way as well. So especially if you're coming here for just like one day, you can do this route that I'm about to show you. And if you'd like to know more about Kuala Lumpur, check out my ebook that just released. You can purchase that via the link in the description. So currently we're here at Pasar Seni station, and it's actually quite a good station because we're outside and you can see some of the sights over there, such as this old building in the distance right there, and you can also see the second tallest building in the world, Merdeka 118. So we're going to get out of the station, and the first place I'm going to show you today is Central Market. And this is definitely a place that you should visit at least once if you're coming to Kuala Lumpur. So let's go and check it out. And definitely do not stay in Chinatown. I cannot stress this enough, guys. Do not stay in Chinatown. It's loud, it's busy, it's dirty, it's chaotic, the traffic is insane. Nobody enjoys staying here, so don't make the mistake by booking a hotel in Chinatown, because you are not going to enjoy it. It's crazy Chinatown. Wow. Selling coconuts. Let's get through this place and we will enter the Central Market right there. It is a Sunday today, so the market is going to be very busy. You can see the Merdeka 118 right behind me. It's all chaos over there, but we're just going to enter the front entrance right here. Let's go and see what we can find. Okay. Oh, it's way too busy in there today, guys. There's no way I want to spend any more than 10 minutes in there. So, okay, we got out of Chinatown in one piece, and when you arrive to KLCC, you will arrive under this shopping mall called Avenue K. Yeah, this one right here that we just came out of. And then when you come out of Avenue K, you are greeted with the Twin Towers, and then we're going to head over this way to the other side where KLCC Park is. So let's go. Okay, we made it out of Chinatown in one piece, and we got to KLCC via the train line from Pasar Seni station. When you get out of the train, you'll arrive under this mall called Avenue K, and as soon as you get out of Avenue K, you're greeted with the Twin Towers in the back there. And what we're going to do right now is cross the road before we have to wait a million years to cross again. So when you're at the Petronas Towers, there are two sides. You've got the KLCC Park on one side, and the other side here you've got this big fountain here, and you can still take amazing pictures with the Petronas. But I recommend coming here at night time. Let's go in Surya Shopping Mall. When you're here in Kuala Lumpur, you're definitely going to love cooling off in the shopping malls, guys. The air condition feels wonderful. So hot in KL, the sweat life indeed. Matcha coffee, very popular, always full of people. But we are going to get out of here. Right here in KLCC Park, this is definitely somewhere you want to explore. During the day it's quite hot, of course. It's very sunny today, so it's hotter than usual. At night time is the best time to come here because you've got the coloured fountain show on the man-made lake here, and it's something spectacular to see. KLCC Park is by far my favourite place here in Kuala Lumpur, just because it's peaceful, it's tranquil, you can hear the nice bird song, you don't hear traffic, the air quality is much nicer compared to other parts of this city, so this is a place I can just come back to many times, never get bored. It's just really nice to just walk around the park. You can even run here, you can do some exercise, and plenty of cafes and restaurants nearby. It's a really nice place. So over there is where we were, where the lake is, and Surya KLCC shopping mall. If we go straight down this path here, this is the convention center. This is the way we're gonna go. So we want to go all the way to the end where those flags are over there, but instead of walking in the heat, we can actually cut right through the convention center and walk right down. And there appears to be some expos on right now. Flags right there, but we're going to access the walkway that goes to Bukit Bintang, so we're going to have to go under here for that and just follow the signs. So we've just entered Bukit Bintang, or this is Pavilion right here. This place is called The Connection. It's just a big path full of restaurants and cafes, and it connects to the Pavilion Mall as well. So it's an amazing place to come to. You'll definitely want to explore this place. If you want some good coffee, I recommend the Coffee Academics. Really good place. So we started from the other end of this place, and you just walk straight through and we come out right here.
Security officer, please give way. This is the no smoking area. Thank you.
They got the bots out, making sure nobody's messing around. You know, robot security guards are already existing right here, right now in Southeast Asia. Behind me is the busiest road in Kuala Lumpur. If you're going to get a taxi, you do not want to get it from here because you're going to be waiting ages in traffic all the time. So that's there's the fountain right here. There's Star Hill. This road's here. Just never get a taxi in this area, guys. Trust me. So what we're going to do now is cross the road and we're gonna make our way to the Exchange TRX. Look at this, it's totally crazy, like how busy this is. Nice car. This is crazy KL right here. So to get to Exchange TRX, we're gonna go through Star Hill, straight down this road right here. So we're just walking towards the Exchange TRX, and that takes about 5 minutes. So it's not through like an aircon walkway. We are obviously on the street, and you're gonna feel the heat. And if you're gonna do what I'm doing, like walk around Kuala Lumpur, you're definitely gonna want to do it in the afternoon. Let's say like after 4 PM or something like that. The temperature outside is gonna be a lot more comfortable. And that's it, we've made our way to the Exchange TRX already. So that's Bukit Bintang, just 5 minutes back that way. We're already at the Exchange TRX. We're going to check out this mall here, we're going to cool off a bit.
Welcome to KL, guys.
Thank you.
Welcome to KL.
Yeah.
How's KL so far, bro?
It's amazing. KL is the best city in Southeast Asia.
KL is the best city in Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
Not Thailand?
Thailand's also
Thailand.
Bangkok. You can get the weed in Bangkok.
Come on, bro.
Are you from Thailand?
No, she's from KL.
You're from KL?
You see KL.
Okay, oh, you're from KL.
Where you
too?
from?
I'm from Scotland.
Scotland.
Yeah.
Is this my mom?
Is that your mom?
And my
Hello,
wife.
Mom. Oh, hello, wife.
You
Yeah?
must record.
Yeah.
YouTube. Are you YouTuber?
I'm a YouTuber, yeah.
Oh, I need to get your link.
Okay.
No, seriously. What's your link?
My name's darylsolis. That's my name. That's my channel's name as well.
What's your channel name?
Yeah, let me type it for you.
So I'm going to go viral? I think we're going to go viral, man.
Yeah, we can go viral.
100,000, 200,000 views.
Yeah, that's me there.
Darylsolis.
Yeah.
Subscribe to you, bro.
Thank you so much.
You got one more extra subscriber from Malaysia.
Yeah.
Malaysia boleh.
Boleh.
You know what Malaysia boleh means or not?
Boleh.
Malaysia
He's
can.
He's like can, yeah.
My name is Ken, bro.
Ken. Thank
Everything
you.
Ken, bro.
Thank you so much,
You
man.
have to tag me and the Scotland boy.
Okay.
I didn't get your name, bro. Darylsolis.
darylsolis.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
You have a fun day.
Thanks so much, man.
Take care, man.
Yeah, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks, man.
Malaysia.
Thanks. Okay, that was the craziest interaction I've ever had with a Malaysian person, but he was really cool, so shout out to that guy for just being open to talking to me, so I appreciate that. So today, guys, we started at Pasar Seni Station. We checked out the Central Market in Chinatown. We moved on via train to KLCC, where we checked out Surya Shopping Mall, KLCC Park. We then walked from KLCC Park to Bukit Bintang. Amazing place to explore, you're gonna love it. And then just a 5-minute walk from Bukit Bintang to the Exchange TRX, which is right here. Amazing, guys, you can see so much in one day here in Kuala Lumpur. And if you want to get around on foot, this is the way to do it. And remember, if you're going to go about on foot, definitely wait until the late afternoon. Check out my ebook if you want to know more secrets about Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Worth checking out, link in the description. Subscribe if you want to see more content. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.